I'm working on retiling my shower for the first time ever. Never really done tile work. And got to the point where I needed to flood test my liner. And I went to the hardware store to find a plug that would fit here. And it didn't seem like the plugs that they were selling were going to do the job because of the drip line that goes through the threads. The plugs that they had didn't seem like it was going to seal this up properly and do a good test, and didn't want to wait around for Amazon to send me something else, and I didn't really want to spend $5 or $8 for something I was going to do once and then never use the device again. So I looked around for something that could do what I needed to do, and I found a balloon, a party balloon that was in my garage. And I blew it up down in the hole with, actually I used a compressor, but I'm sure I could have blown on it and filled it myself if I needed to. I put this, the drain in here upside down at the water level that I filled it at last night, and it was just barely breaking the surface last night. And here we are over 12 hours later, and the water level is still the same. And so my nearly free plug has done its job. And now I regret sending a balloon down my drain. But it was a successful test.